Have you ever wondered if all bacteria in our gut are bad for us? Let's dive into this fascinating world of gut microbiome, a complex community of microorganisms that live in our digestive tract. These tiny inhabitants play a critical role in our health, affecting everything from digestion to our immune system and even our mood. Now, let's tackle our first myth. All bacteria in our gut are harmful. This couldn't be further from the truth. While it's true that some types of bacteria can cause disease, our gut is also home to countless beneficial bacteria. These friendly microbes help us digest food, produce vitamins, and protect us from harmful invaders. Think of it like a bustling city. It's not about eradicating all its inhabitants, but rather maintaining a healthy balance between the good and the not so good. When this balance is disrupted, that's when problems can arise. So it's clear that not all bacteria in our gut are harmful. Some are essential for our health. Does the thought of gut bacteria affecting your brain seem far-fetched to you? Let's dive into the second myth. Gut bacteria have no connection to the brain. This is in fact a myth. The reality is there's an intricate system called the gut-brain axis that links your gut and brain. This means your gut bacteria can significantly influence your mood and mental health. So, the next time you're feeling a bit low or anxious, remember your gut might be playing a part. Now let's move to the third myth. A high-fiber diet benefits everyone's gut microbiome. While it's true that fiber is essential for gut health, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The impact of fiber on the gut microbiome varies among individuals. Some people might thrive on a high-fiber diet, while others may experience discomfort or bloating. So, our gut bacteria indeed have a significant impact on our brain, and a high-fiber diet may not always be the best for everyone's gut health. Ever wondered if a single course of antibiotics can wipe out your gut bacteria forever? Let's dive into our fourth myth. It's a common belief that antibiotics can permanently destroy your gut microbiome. However, that's not entirely true. While antibiotics can indeed have a substantial effect on the gut microbiome, it's not a life sentence. Our bodies are resilient, and usually given enough time, the gut microbiome recovers. Now let's move on to our fifth myth. Probiotics can replace a healthy diet. This is a widespread misconception. Probiotics are indeed beneficial, but they cannot replace the nutrients and benefits we get from a wholesome diet. They are a supplement, an addition to a healthy diet, and not a replacement. So while antibiotics can temporarily disrupt our gut microbiome, it can recover. And remember, probiotics are a supplement, not a substitute for a healthy diet. Do you believe that all individuals have the same gut microbiome? Well, it's time to debunk myth number 6. Gut microbiomes are as unique as fingerprints, varying among individuals based on factors like diet, lifestyle, and even our environments. So no, we don't all share the same gut microbiome. Moving on to myth number 7, gut health only affects digestion. This couldn't be further from the truth. Our gut health influences our overall well-being, including our mental health and immunity. So it's not just about digestion, it's about our total health. Finally, myth number 8. You can change your gut microbiome in a day. This is simply not possible. Altering your gut microbiome is a gradual process. It takes time, patience, and consistent healthy habits. So remember, our gut microbiomes are unique. They affect more than just our digestion, and changing them is a gradual process. Stay informed and don't fall for these myths.